My name is Pierre Plessis. I started with Allison in South Africa 10 years ago. I manage a team of customer specification engineers located globally. We are responsible for releasing transmission part numbers. We call it E-numbers. And then customer specified materials that we fit in our factories onto the transmission that makes the transmission very specific to the OEM. E-number is produced based on the customer's selections made in the system. We collect those and the E-number is created to make repeatability as accurate as possible. We use a system called VAS, or Value Added Service. In the VAS system, we release customer specified materials like wiring harnesses, output flanges, components like PTOs that are customer supplied that we fit onto the transmission. Customer specification engineering is the link between what sales have sold, what engineering has produced or designed, and we need to put it together in a documented fashion so it's producible out of our factory.